Welcome back to Mastering Airport English. In today's video, we'll talk about how to use a currency exchange at the airport in English. Exchanging money is often one of the first things travelers do when arriving in a new country, and knowing the right phrases can help make this process easier and faster. Let's go over the key phrases and questions you need to handle currency exchange at the airport smoothly. When you arrive at the currency exchange counter, you can start by letting the clerk know what you need. You might say, "Hello, I'd like to exchange some currency. Could you help me with that?" Or, "Excuse me, I need to exchange currency, e.g. dollars for desired currency." These questions are polite and straightforward, letting the staff know you're ready to start the exchange process. Next, it's important to know the exchange rate being offered. You can ask, "What is the exchange rate for desired currency today?" Or, "Could you tell me the current rate for exchanging dollars to desired currency?" This helps you understand how much you'll receive in exchange and if the rate is favorable. Sometimes, currency exchanges at airports have extra fees or commissions. To check if any fees apply, ask, "Is there a fee or commission for exchanging currency here?" Or, "Are there any additional charges I should know about?" Knowing about fees can help you decide if you'd like to exchange all your money here or look for better options elsewhere. If you need specific denominations or smaller bills, you can request them by saying, "Could I get smaller bills, please?" Or, "Would it be possible to have some of the amount in smaller denominations?" This is useful if you want smaller bills for easy spending right after arrival. If you're unsure how much you should exchange, it's okay to ask for advice. You could say, "I'm not sure how much I'll need. Do you have any recommendations?" Or, "What would you suggest for a short stay of number days?" Currency exchange staff are familiar with typical expenses and can often help with general advice. In some cases, if you're exchanging a large amount, you may want to ask if they offer a better rate for higher exchanges. Ask, "Is there a better rate available for larger amounts?" Or, "Do you have any discounts on exchange rates for larger sums?" This can help you get the best deal possible if you're exchanging a significant amount. Finally, once you've completed the transaction, thank the clerk by saying, "Thank you very much for your help," or simply, "I appreciate your assistance with the currency exchange." A polite thank you leaves a positive impression and shows respect for the clerk's help. Let's review these key phrases for using a currency exchange at the airport. "Hello, I'd like to exchange some currency. Could you help me with that? What is the exchange rate for desired currency today? Is there a fee or commission for exchanging currency here? Could I get smaller bills, please? I'm not sure how much I'll need. Do you have any recommendations? Is there a better rate available for larger amounts? Thank you very much for your help." Using these phrases will help you navigate the currency exchange process confidently and ensure you get the currency you need at the best possible rate. Remember, being clear and polite will make the transaction smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more essential travel English tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.